At Trinity Roofing and Home Services, we're making it easier than ever for Gig Harbor homeowners to get a free roofing quote, no home visits needed. Using cutting-edge AI technology, we can provide fast, accurate quotes over the phone, tailored to your roofing needs. It's convenient, precise, and hassle-free. Our advanced AI system analyzes satellite images to measure your roof and determine the materials and labor required. This ensures you get a quote that's detailed and reliable. All it takes is a quick call to our team. In just minutes, you'll receive a comprehensive quote without ever leaving the comfort of your home. And when you're ready to move forward, our experienced team will bring your project to life with high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship. Call us today at 253-264-1686 or visit our website to get your free roofing quote. Trinity Roofing and Home Services, Gig Harbor's trusted roofing experts, where technology meets craftsmanship. Trinity Roofing and Home Services, roofing made simple in Gig Harbor, Washington.